How to understand a stock before buying it. Industry expert Amrita has joined us today with an interesting example.
It's a case study that I would like to present. Suppose that you are planning to buy a stock called Generic Plus. Because your friend Ramesh sent you a report and you like the story, you plan to purchase 100 shares. Right before that, you heard on a popular news show that GN Pharmaceutical, another generic drug maker, reported great earnings and the stock is up 10%. Based on this news, what will be your response? Number one, I will likely to take this information as confirmation that generics is a good area to be in and proceed with my purchase of Generic Plus. Option number two, I'll pause before buying Generic Plus and request research on GN prior to proceeding with the purchase of Generic Plus. Option number three, I'll purchase GN rather than GP because GN appears to be a hot stock and I want to get in on a good thing. If you are going to pause buying GP and you want to research GN, that is the right thing to do. By any chance, you wanted to go for one, that is going for Generic Plus GP. That means you are not giving attention to GN pharmaceuticals and you're just fixated with your original plan. And that is called a classic case of confirmation bias. If you are getting very excited and saying GP ko chodo, GN ko kharidte hai, Generic Plus ko kharidte hai, that is again jumping to conclusion because something very attractive has come up. It has been publicized in all TV shows, etc. The stock price is also up. That is a classic case of availability bias. So again, follow the middle path. Do the research of the new stock as much as do your research on the existing stock and then take a calculated and a matured decision.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.